Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I am very often asked by people who are having their account managed by either a Google Ads agency consultant, or perhaps they've got a team member managing their Google Ads account, but they've got no idea what's actually being done in the account. So today I'm going to show you how you can actually check what is being done on a daily, weekly and monthly basis. So we need to come into the Google Ads screen, and then you're going to look here for the option that says Change History. You're going to click on Change History. You're going to set the date time frame for the dates that you want to check for. You can see I've got mine set to the last 30 days. And then you can see the type of changes that have been being made. So you can see a date and time stamp. If you click here, it will actually show you the type of change that was being made. You can also see the different users here. Perhaps it's an automation type of software. You can see what it's doing to your account. And you can also see the type of keywords that have been added, paused. You can see where bids have been changed. You can see where ad groups have been paused. So it means that you can actually see what's being done on a very detailed level. If you wanted to be able to filter it so you can see what a particular user is doing, you quite simply click on the Add the Filter, then click on User and select the user that you would like to see, then click Apply, and you'll only be able to see their changes. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, make sure that you click like, leave us a comment, make sure you're subscribed or following us to see future updates, and please do share the video if you've enjoyed it. Make sure that if you want to talk to me about getting further ongoing Google Ads training for you or your team, you're sure to book in for a call. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Bye for now.